Hi, good day. I'm Ena from University of Santo Tomas and I would like to share some of my knowledge about calculus. Just a teeny tiny bit of it. Okay? So let's first define integral calculus. Do you have anything in mind? Mathematically speaking, it is an integral expressed without limits and so containing an arbitrary constant. But, in simple words, it's just getting the antiderivative by the process known integration. So, if you would ask me what should be my foundation knowledge or mathematical skills before I can solve integrals, the answer would be Calculus 1, which is differentiation calculus, or trigonometric functions, and of course, logical thinking. I bet you are already having thoughts on why should we study this kind of problems, right? Well, it's just simple. Knowing and learning integral calculus will enable you to solve higher level of problems, thus solving out your comfort zone. Some applications or type of problems that you can solve are life and sciences probs, business sales, which I'm going to give an example later, and economics, curve area of a line, concavity and finding its equation, motion and acceleration problems related to physics, and then many more. So let me give you one good example about business sales.
So here's an example of a business sales problem. The monthly sales of a particular personal computer are expected to decline at the rate of S prime of t is equal to negative 25t raised to 2/3 computers per month, where t is the time in months and S of t is the number of computers sold each month. The company plans to stop manufacturing this computer when the monthly sales reach 800 computers. If the monthly sales now are 2,000 computers, find S of t, and how long will the company continue to manufacture this computer? So here's the solution of the problem. The given are S prime of t is equal to negative 25t raised to 2/3, which is the decreasing rate of computers per month, then t, which is the time in months, then S of t is equal to the number of computers sold each month. Let's start with the first equation, which is S prime of t is equal to negative 25t raised to 2/3. To be able to get its antiderivative, we have to integrate this equation. And we will be having integral of negative 25t raised to 2/3. Now, you can notice that there is a constant which is negative 25. So, we can apply the constant rule. So, we have to put aside negative 25, then integral of t raised to 2/3. Now, applying power rule, we have to add 1 to the exponent to 2/3, which will result to t raised to 5/3. Then, whatever the exponent is, will be your denominator. So, it will be t raised to 5/3 over 5/3, then plus c, which is your constant. Then, negative 25 times 3/5, this is the reciprocal, then t raised to 5/3 plus c. Now, by simplifying, we can cancel 25 and 5. So, the result will be negative 15. So, your new equation will be S prime of t is equal to negative 15t raised to 5/3 plus c. So, now again, S of t is equal to the number of computers, then t is the time in months. Now, remember in the problem that the monthly sales of computers now are 2,000. So, substituting S of t with 2,000 and assuming t, the time, now is 0, we can have the value of c, which is 2,000. Have the value of c, we can substitute 2,000 in the equation. So, as stated in the problem, the company plans to stop manufacturing this computer when the monthly sales reach 800 computers. We have to change the value of S of t with 800, and then transposing 800 to the right side will give us 1,200. And then negative 15t raised to 5/3 will be positive if transposed in the left side. And then dividing both sides by 15, we can cancel this one out, and then 1,200 divided by 15 will give us 80. So t raised to 5/3 is equal to 80. Now, to get the value of t, we have to take the roots of both sides. And to finally complete our solution, t is equal to 13.86. So now, for the checking part, we just have to substitute the value of t, which is 13.86, to the equation. S of t is now 800, since we are finding how long will the company continue to manufacture this computer up until the monthly sales reach 800. So 800 is equal to negative 15 times 13.86, which is the t, raised to 5/3 plus 2,000. So the value for this one is approximately 800.42. So rounding it off, the value will be 800. So 800 is equal to 800. So now, answering the question, how long will the company continue to manufacture this computer, is 13.86 months. So thank you for watching.